Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to practice model verb. As in my earlier video, we have already practiced lots of model verbs. So it's all about will have to and must have to. We are going to learn today will have to and must have to. So how it will work, guys? Will have to, as we know that have to for ना है, नी है, या पढ़ता था, पढ़ता है, पढ़ती है, पढ़ते हैं, करना है, करने हैं, करनी है. That kind of we use have to, and in front of have to we are using will, and will always use for future tense like ga, ge, gi, for so how it would be in sentence when we start using. So how it could be like I will have to start working on that project. So what is the meaning of this sentence? So I will have to start, and what is the formula of using this model verb? So you must have to in your mind subject plus will have to, and you must have to remind that after to we always use verb 1. Okay, subject plus will have to plus verb 1 plus object. So how it would be? I will have to start working. I will have to start working means मुझे काम शुरू करना होगा. मुझे काम शुरू करना होगा. ना है, नी है. ना for have to ना, ने, नी, and will गागेगी. करना होगा. ना गा, ना होगा, ना नी होगा. So whenever it comes in your sentence, करना होगा, करने होंगे. So you must have to use will have to. Like मुझे यह काम करना शुरू करना होगा. मुझे यह काम शुरू करना होगा. I will have to start working. And like मुझे वहाँ जाना, मुझे यहाँ काम करना होगा. मुझे यहाँ काम करना होगा. So I will have to work. I will have to work here. Okay, मुझे यहाँ काम करना होगा. मुझे काम कंप्लीट करना होगा. I complete करना होगा. So how it could be? How it will be like I will have to complete my work today. Okay, and I will have to submit my task today. So whenever you come in your mind that kind of sentence like मुझे ये काम करना होगा, मुझे आज यहाँ जाना होगा, मुझे उसका मदद करना होगा. So whenever come this kind of sentence, just use will have to. Initially you will get stuck and it will not come, but keep in your mind, practice is everything. Whenever you start practicing, go Google the sentence, and whatever sentence coming in your mind, or you start making in Hindi the sentence like ना होगा, करनी होगी, whatever you want to speak, just speak in Hindi and try to convert it. Initially you have to convert it in English. After creating or making sentence in Hindi, you will have to translate it in English. Like मुझे ये translate करना होगा, then I will have to translate it. करना है, I have to. When करना होगा, I will have to. Just keep in your mind. This is the tip and trick to remind your mind. You don't have to force so much. Just whenever you have to speak, मुझे ये करना है, I have to do it. मुझे ये करना होगा, I will have to do it. Okay? This is a simple trick. I have to complete this work. मुझे ये काम complete करना है, and when you have to say that मुझे ये काम complete करना होगा, then you will say I will have to complete it. This is simple, guys. Just keep this trick in your mind and it will be very helpful to speak fluently and by using this modal verb. And the second one is are you ready to start on working on learning? Second one is must have to. Yeah, this is a simple. Whenever which condition we use must? Do you know? Must. Whenever the surety of any work is confirmed more than 100%, then you can say or 100%. Like तुम्हें अवश्य ही करना होगा, तुम्हें यह काम अवश्य ही करना होगा. Then you must have to do this work. You must have to do this work. So करना होगा, अवश्य. Whenever come in अवश्य, 100% sure, you must have to go there. You must have to complete it. You must have to do it. You must have to finish it. Whenever it's the surety, you have to do it. No matter whatever the situation, you must have. For surety, for अवश्य ही करना होगा. You are pressurizing the word more must. So when at that condition you should use must. As we use must, मुझे यह अवश्य ही करना है. Must do this work. You must do this work. अवश्य ही. For अवश्य must. When करना होगा, मुझे अवश्य करना होगा. You must have to do this. मुझे यह अवश्य ही finish करना है आज. Then you must have to finish it. अवश्य के साथ करना होगा. करना होगा, future. You are not using will, but must will work as will. Here must will use as will. Okay, so instead of using will, you have to use must, and must is playing the surety, most surety, 100% than more. And for the sentence avashya, you must have to use must. So guys, keep in your mind and try to make sentence by using this modal verb. 2 modal verb. Go Google it by using will have to and must have to, and try to use 10 sentences. You speak 10 sentences and try to create or making Hindi sentences by using this. That करना होगा, जाना होगा, तुमको अवश्य ही करना होगा, अवश्य ही जाना होगा. करना होगा will have to do it, and अवश्य ही करना होगा you must have to do it. Go try it and try to speak in front of camera. Use any app to communicate with people and use ChatGPT and just do whatever you want to do. Keep listening, keep watching, but you must have to create your sentence in mind and speak in front of camera. This is the main thing. So guys, and one more thing, I also keep uploading my data analytics related videos like Excel, Power BI. So guys, if you are interested, then go watch and grow in your career. Thank you. Bye bye.